How would you like to click just a few buttons and start seeing $5, $10, or even $20 repeat payments rolling into your wallet or your account balance? You see, we always look down on those small numbers. Just $5, right? It's just so little money, right? But not in this case for this unique weapon site which I'm about to show you right on this video. While you only get paid $10 or $20 each time, but they add up very quickly. Imagine stacking up those $20 payment and they could end up becoming a big number, up to $200 or $300 per day easily. You can then immediately cash out via different payment options including PayPal, bank, transfer, Bitcoin, and many more. Oh yeah, this website is 100% free. And there's no investment needed, and they are currently opening up to a wide range of different countries. I'm super pumped to share this opportunity with you and giving you a few bonus tips that will double or even triple your earnings with just a few clicks of a button. So make sure you stay tuned and watch until the very end. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for daily new money-making videos. And if you want to make $500 or $1,000 and even more in a single day, so make sure you click on the first link in the video description below. There is my one of the best recommendation to the best way to make money online. So let's continue the video. Now the first thing that I want you to do right now is to go over to enrollapp.com. Once you come onto this website, you can see here, let's make the web a better place. This is a 100% legit company which is quite popular in the industry right now, that it provides you and I an opportunity to make money from home with no experience and no technical skill. Pay very close attention because right now I'll show you everything step by step so that you can start earning money online starting today. First of all, when you come over to the home page, I want you to click on this green button right here, sign in. And as you can see here, we are glad you are back. Now this web needs your help to get back in there and start making the web a better place. You can simply put in your email address and your password and just click on sign in. This is actually a very simple process, but again, when you log into your account, there are a couple of things that I want you to do. The first thing is that I want you to check your email inbox, because if this is the first time that you sign up for a free account, you can see that this is a completely brand new account and you're going to go onto your email inbox and activate your account by clicking on the verification link in your email inbox. Once you log in into your Enrollapp dashboard, you can see this is actually inside my account. You can see, hi Justin, let's make the web a better place today. This is where I can actually do the progress. And as you can see here, this is a mission progress. So right now my mission progress is actually 2%, as you can see here. And after finishing the mission, this little cow right here will go on from the left and start moving all the way to the right here as I start making progress and completing more projects and mission. And the best thing is I will receive extra cash prizes and bonus money. That's why I love this website. And I highly recommend beginners and newbies to start with this very simple, easy, and no investment needed. Now listen. There are a couple of things that I want to show you in this video to help you make double or even triple more money by using a little secret trick that I discovered myself after working on this website. So make sure you keep watching and do not miss any part of this video. Now the first thing that you'll notice on your dashboard is when you scroll down below, you can see here polls and how many poll question you have answered. Now, poll meaning those questions right here. For example, are you currently enrolled in international program for a collage? You have to answer yes or no. For example, if I click on yes, as you can see here, how did you stack up? And right here to show us the statistics, the surveys, the poll of how many people, click on yes or no. You don't have to do anything on this question. You just have to click on continue. As you can see here, I just finished another poll question. I go from 19 to 20 answers. I'm going to do one more example. As you can see here, for example, I click on yes. You can see right now it's 22. And when I click on continue, you can see here, 23 polls have already answered. This is very important for you to answer this poll question, for you to make money online. And the more polls that you answer, the more points that you can collect, and you can go from here all the way to here and earning bonus money. Also, the more poll question that you answer, it makes this website easier to give you the most suitable projects that fits your demographics and your interest, which means you receive more mission and end up making more money. You can see here, my point right now is very low because this is a brand new account that I just created to show you a demo starting from scratch. You can repeat the same question again and again by just clicking on the button. You can click on yes or no and then just click on continue. Right now you can repeat this as much as you want and there's absolutely no limit to this. So look, I hope that you can see how simple it is with this website. You can just repeat this as much as you want by just clicking on a few buttons. I truly believe anyone can do this. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, so don't forget to check my description. There is a best and free course to help you to make money online. I will meet you with another new money making video. Bye bye.